I was explaining something. Okay, huh. You people are at that stage where you can speak or where you can understand advanced students or advanced people, right? Who have a very good command over English. You can understand them because if you're able to understand me, if you're able to talk to me, if you have the capability of conversating with me, then it means you should use a few words which are used for basic students, but we're going to substitute it for the new ones. Of course, just like the way we have done for happy, glad. You're going to forget that word happy. Glad is an easy word, and it looks, of course, for the advanced also, and going to help in the future too, if you're going to conversate with anybody. Okay, next question. Rishi sir, could you please share that again? Oh, sorry, Anita ji is left.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
ma'am, on that day, Namita ji talk about Ast-Vyast.
Anita ji, we
I
can't hear
listened
you.
yesterday
We
a
can't hear you.
YouTube.
We can't
No,
hear
ma'am,
you.
I'm
There
not
is some
mute.
kind of no.
I'm
There is
not
some kind
mute.
of network issue. No, no. I mean, there is some kind of network issue. Check once.
Hmm.
Now speak.
Your voice is breaking, Anita ji.
Hello. Now,
Huh. Continue.
Ha,
Yes,
now
please.
it's clear.
yesterday, uh, nahin.
Day
Yesterday
before yesterday
before,
or few days
yes,
back.
ma'am. Namita ji used Ast-Vyast. I listened yesterday
Wow.
a YouTube channel, and I listened Ast-Vyast horse post.
Posh is a slang word actually, but I have written in the
Okay.
group. Have you people read that out?
No, ma'am, you were not returned.
No. Just check your group once. I've written a word. That is the opposite of spick and span. I have used. I have mentioned that on the group on the very like
Yes, ma'am.
after one of could you please tell me what word have I used it for? Like disorder is a word which we can use for us with, but I have used one more thing, and it is just like spick or span, like it is an idiom sort. If you can you see in the group? I want you to please pronounce it so that I get to know that are you pronouncing it correct or not. Check your groups once. I have mentioned that word and I have told as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me just hold. Have I written or not? Because yeah, I've mentioned about it. Yeah, the antonym idiom for spick and span is please pronounce it because I want you to pronounce it. It is in the book.
Yes, ma'am. Speak and span. Speak and span.
Spick and
Speak,
span, which
speak
means
and span.
yeah, neat and clean and everything at order. ठीक है, spick and span is which is at order. सब कुछ अपनी जगह पे पड़ा है. Now the word which was used by Namita ji and she has asked very right question asked this. So after thinking a lot, I came to the word that disorder. But there was an idiom which was not running in my mind. It was not coming on my mouth because I have read it somewhere. So this was that idiom that I have written just after opposite of spick and span. Could you please read that out?
Speak and span.
Nee, after that, after spick and span, I have written something. Check out. In the
Yes,
group
ma'am.
itself, I have written.
Hither and
Yes,
thither.
yes, right. Hither and thither. The. That is the.
The
So
hither and
that's
thither.
hard. Yes, this idiom I have read somewhere and it was not hitting in my mind. It is the exact antonym for spick and span. So people can use it
Okay.
for like as soon as you enter the home, you can use it for your child or anybody. As soon as you enter the home, you actually do everything hither and thither.
Hither and thither. Thither.
Right.
Hither and
So this is one of the. Actually, one more thing was running in my mind. I have written it just now. It was also a very good one. Wanted to share with you both. Okay. Um, Sometimes in Hindi, people use this word manhoos. Sorry to use it in Hindi like that. But
Yes.
I just wanted to give the exact translation of it because I could not tell the exact English meaning of it or any other Hindi word that can substitute it for. So I just have to use this word in Hindi. So people generally use this like, of course, we have heard this from the Orthodox families or Orthodox type of people. We have heard this word. Do you people have the knowledge about what is the exact translation of this word?
No,
Mm.
ma'am.
Even I was not aware because I have read somewhere, so I wanted to share it. Zincs.
Uh,
Even I have gone through
uh,
the pronunciation. The
ma'am, ma'am, sorry for 5 minutes.
take your time. Take your
I
time.
have to go for
Meanwhile,
5 minutes.
Anita ji is answering. Take your time. Okay. Yes,
Hmm.
Anita ji, please answer.
Take second, ma'am.
No problem. Take your time.
Hmm. Uh, when whenever someone talk about me, whenever someone talk negative about me, it happened angry to me, and it at that time I feel very anger. But after few minutes, I thought after few minutes, I think uh, human nature is
Hmm.
no, ma'am. I want to start again. Uh,
No problem.
Whenever someone negative talk about me, when I listen, that I feel very anger at that time. After few minutes, I think जो जैसा है वो वैसा ही रहेगा.
The one who is absolutely right. The one who is like that will remain the same.
The one who
Is like
Is
that,
is like
comma,
that
will remain the same.
will remain
in the same.
Same.
the same.
In the same.
Hmm.
And I want talk to him the problem with the conversation. But if
Hmm.
it is not possible, I forget it.
Right.
And I I think at that time it is not the part of our life,
Hmm. Right.
because uh, it makes me very uncomfortable.
Right.
It makes me very uncomfortable.
Absolutely
So
right. Very well.
so uh, I try to forget that uh, negative talk for me. I nahi,
Hmm.
I try to forget the negative conversation about me,
Right.
and I uh, try to divert myself in other things
Right.
like watching comedy movie or
Hmm.
goes to shopping and other works.
Yes. Absolutely right. Very well expressed. Very well done. Um, First you have said I thought, then you have said I think, but you wanted to correct it to present tense. Basic part you have understood that the sentence you are speaking should be in present tense. It was all about the way you have already corrected it for it makes. You've corrected it. And you knew for I think also. But while speaking, because we are learning, so such kind of mistakes happen. So it should be I think, of course. Okay. Otherwise, I could feel that you've spoken very well. I feel very angered. I feel very angry. Anger is an abstract noun, and angry is something an adjective. So we should use it accordingly. Here it is used as an angrily kaha gaya. So it would be used as your adverb. So of course we are not going to go for the particular parts. I wanted to use something grammar today, but we did not get the time. Of course, it's not about the time, but both of them are not here, Nituji and Kituji, and it is an important part. I would like you to please do present tense practice or just read out about it, because tomorrow we'll be discussing that for half an hour. Because present perfect tense is one of the most important parts of grammar while speaking. People do neglect it that simple past tense and simple present tense is more than enough to speak, but present tense is having the same sort of equivalent value. You'll get to know tomorrow. One more thing, what I was saying is, we're going to do a role play, quick role play, okay, between both of you. So that role play, I guess I have executed it with Neetu ji and Geetu ji. Namita ma'am was not there. Let us just do it right now, okay? So it is between a doctor and a patient. Have we done this, Namita ji? I do not remember
No, ma'am.
because
No, ma'am. I
no,
didn't.
right. Yeah, you're right. You were on off for a week, I guess. Then Neetu ji and Geetu ji has executed it. So here, one of you is going to be the doctor and other is going to be the patient. Anita ji is going to become the patient because the questions are more as compared to the doctor. And doctor will be Namita ji. Please be ready for this role play because you have to, of course, use expressions. You have to use the dialogues, and the dialogues should come with the expressions. So let us start it without any sort of giving you the time. We are just starting it up. Okay. So I would plan it out. Let me just give you the plan. Basically, um, Anita ji is feeling stomachache for a few days because she has eaten something, but she's not able to figure it out that what have I eaten because of why my stomach is aching. But she's not able to figure it out. It's all about that. And she has actually visited you few times already. Okay. So we are starting now. Yes, Anita ji, start. Because you'll be starting your mentioning, may I come in?
May I coming, ma'am?
Uh,
I have
mhm.
I'm feeling uh, stomach pain.
Okay. You took all the medicine? You have
Yes,
taken all the
ma'am.
medicine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And
I'm not
what?
I'm not medicine.
Okay. What did you take for lunch and dinner?
Uh, I went to uh, outside and I ate junk food.
Okay. I think you have any mild food poisoning, or you have maybe you had some allergy for any special substance. So I will give you medicine, and don't take junk food or outside food. Take simple light food at home, and take this
What
medicine
type of
at proper time.
what type of ma'am, what type of food I will take?
Very good.
Light food like dal chawal, khichdi, dalia. Only this type. And if you feel trouble with milk, then avoid for 3 days. Milk also avoid. And do you have any other problem?
No, ma'am. I'm feeling only stomach pain.
Okay. So take these medicines, and do you feel greedy or weakness?
Yes, ma'am. I am feeling weakness.
Okay, so take some. I I will write some uh, solution. You will take this, and it helps you to overcome this weakness. And take some fresh fruits and salad also. You can take some fresh fruits and salad also. And is it pain in left side of the stomach, or the
No, ma'am.
whole tummy is paining?
Lower abdomen.
Okay, okay, okay. So you take this medicine, and if you don't feel, if you won't feel relief, um, after 2 days, you will, you can come.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Absolutely right.
Okay.
Perfect. Perfect. It was on the spot. You didn't even think for the questions. You didn't even discuss. So it was perfect. Very well done, both of you. Pat yourselves. Okay. You have taken all the medicines. Have you taken all the medicines? You started with the past tense. You took
Yes,
the
ma'am.
medicines. You were right there. You wanted to correct it in present perfect tense. कि आपने सारी medicines ली हैं because we're talking about कि अभी recently ली है. But we are asking something. So have you taken all the medicines?
Have you taken all the
But you
medicines?
were right at present perfect tense. You were right there. Just you have to change it in interrogative tense. And Anita ji, I went to outside. I went outside. We should not use two prepositions together. To is also a preposition, outside is also a preposition. So I went outside.
I went up.
Yes, right. Namita you said I will write some medicines or something you've mentioned, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
वो
Okay.
सॉल्यूशन पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं उसको. Energetic solutions. Doctors give without any reason.
Yeah, right. Absolutely right. Yeah, you're right here. Even I
they
have heard
are
something
they are
related
very
to that.
expensive.
Huh,
They
they
are
give some
very
kind of syrup or
expensive,
something.
and
Right. And they actually added on just because of, I don't know why. And yes,
but
we can
yes,
mention here. There is
they
no
are
reason
very
behind it. I do
expensive,
not think
and
that they have not gone, they have not taken us under related to any sort of, what do we say that? Test. There are no tests and anything, but they do mention it in their prescription. That's what I wanted to mention just now. Prescription and prescribe. Can you give me the difference between the both? Because Namita ji had to speak, I am prescribing you few medicines. What does it mean? I'm prescribing you few medicines.
matlab, I thought that doctor used this term.
Prescription means
Use
Yes,
prescription
yes,
is the.
doctors. Yes. This is actually used by the doctors. Prescribing you the medicines means you're suggesting and you are giving a sort of prescription. Prescription होता है जिसमें लिखा जाता है. That is the prescription, you know it. And prescribing means when you're suggesting or when you're giving all the suggestions and you're writing all the medicines on that paper. So that is the only difference. Prescription is a paper on which all the medicines are mentioned, and prescribing means batana. कि I'm telling you all these medicines. Whatever is written is prescribed medicines, and prescription is a paper. That is the only difference. Okay, very well done, both of you. Take care. And I'll try that I should discuss related to the time. Anita ji, we were thinking that we should change the time for a few days till Diwali, I guess. It would be better for you all because I can understand that for a woman to handle all the tasks in the morning is difficult. So let us just discuss today. I'm going to drop a message and let me get the reward from everybody. Okay, as soon as I get okay, then we are going to change it up. Okay.
okay,
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
Bye.
ma'am.
Take care, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, ma'am.
ma'am. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.